You know where it is. You know where we at. You know Van Jr. From What My Teacher Wears, checking in with you real quick, real fast to come up on some gems. Yo, I have literally no idea what I'm coming in here for. I'm literally just coming in here to blow off some time. I got out of school early today, so I'm literally coming here with absolutely no expectations. I'm literally in here just to shop. So just follow your boy. Let's see what we gonna come up on today. It's a nice little piece I can, I can do something with. Pinstripe brown. I think we're gonna cop this one, y'all. This is a go. We just gotta find a few things to pair with it, but we definitely gonna cop this one. I think this will be a cool little fall / winter piece when it, get a little cooler. The pattern play in here I love. You can do some grays. Of course, you can do some blacks. I got a nice suit to, kind of complement, this kind of contrasting vest. So I think this gives me a little Mr. Rogers vibes, to kind of complement the teaching swag. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. If you could be mine.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine?
I definitely think I'm gonna get this one though. So there's two pieces. There's two pieces that I think we're gonna get. Okay, so I'm leaving up out of the G Wheel. You know what time it is. I'm leaving up out of here. Yo, I end up adding some additional pieces to the thing that I already showed you guys earlier. I end up grabbing a blazer because I have an idea as to something that I want to do. I was inspired a few weeks ago by one of my Instagram followers, and I follow him as well, and he said something that his tailor did that I actually really want to do and show you all. I won't show you all in this video, nor will I show you how fire that blazer is that I just picked up. But just to give you a preview, I will be turning a very extremely large blazer actually into a double-breasted blazer. So y'all stay tuned to that because it's definitely going down. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So you guys are really gonna be, walking step by step with me through this entire thing. I think I can do it. I hope I can do it, but also I'm gonna show y'all that I can do it. But other than that, man, I got a pair of pants to complement that brown vest that you saw earlier. I also picked that up, and I end up spending for the blazer, the pair of pants, and the two, I guess you can say, complementing vests. I end up spending right at $15.22. I'll throw that receipt up right here. And so I end up spending that on it, guys. I cannot complain when I get deals like this. Let's head to the house and let's put a few looks together with, these vests. Again, I'm not gonna show you the blazer, but let's put some looks together with these vests. I'll see you when All right, so we've made it back home, and as you see, we are absolutely loving the look of this. This is the first look with just paired with the black turtleneck, and to bring out the black in the vest, but not do too much as far as going with the black on the bottoms as well. So I went with gray on the bottoms, with the pattern has some maroon in it to bring out the maroon in the vest, and we went really casual with the black and white skateboard Vans. Very, very casual, threw on some nice frames with it as well. And then we move on to the second look where we actually threw the blazer on top, switched the turtleneck out with an actual white dress shirt. I'm doing a little, I guess you could say I had a long day at work type look. As you see, the top button is not really buttoned up to kind of casual down and even more. Of course, we could button this all the way up and give a more sophisticated look and even more dapper look within the outfit. We rolled the sleeves up. You could undo the tie a little bit more if you wanted to casual out a little bit more. And I switched the loafers. As you see, these are my favorite dress shoes, loafers. As anybody knows, loafers are my go-to when it comes to dress shoes. I just love the silhouette of loafers, so I paired them with some loafers. And then moving on to the third look was this brown vest and those pants that I previously said that I picked up, but you didn't get to see in the actual video. The vest actually has like some cream pinstripes, so I paired it with, of course, a cream turtleneck. And with these brown, I guess you can say brown and whitish pants. And I definitely did with a slimmer silhouette as far as in a loafer. And so what I did with this fourth and final look was I actually took the suit that I got from JCPenney's a few videos ago, and I broke it up this time, and I went more with a solid vest instead of the matchy vest per se. And actually I love this look because it matches very well with the loafers that you see below. So I really love the way this look turned out.